Hey everyone, welcome back to ITVX, your channel for smart solutions and tech tips. Today, we're starting a new tutorial. How to connect TCL TV to Wi-Fi. Press Home to access the home screen. Scroll to Settings, then press OK. Scroll to Network and Internet, then press OK. Scroll to Wi-Fi, then press OK. This will turn on the Wi-Fi. Scroll to Yes, then press OK. Scroll to and select the desired wireless network, then press OK. Enter the Wi-Fi password using the virtual keyboard. Scroll to enter, then press OK. Your TV will now connect to the wireless network. Connected successfully will be displayed. The wireless network displays as connected. Press back. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching ITVX.